Hey everyone, Chris with Diesel Power Products here, and today we have the heater core replacement heater hose kit from Fleece Performance. So let's talk application. At the time of this video, this kit's going to fit the 03 to current Ram 2500 or 3500, but be sure to check the description for updates. The upper heater hose is a very common weak point due to this weak plastic quick connect fitting that snaps onto the top of the cylinder head. Over time, these are guaranteed to either start leaking or break off completely due to the heat, especially in the close proximity of that EGR cooler. So Fleece has come out with this bulletproof kit that utilizes a very durable hose and then a billet push lock fitting to screw into the top of the head and 2 hose clamps. Install on this is extremely easy. Just remember when you're installing this to put some of the supplied thread sealant on the very bottom of the billet quick connect fitting. If you guys have any questions on this kit, feel free to give us a call. We have sales techs on the phone from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday, Pacific time. You can also reach us on the site via chats or emails. We're here to give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.